My name's Jude CARLSSON. I'm a registered nurse and midwife and also a kinesiologist and naturopath, and I live in the hinterland of the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I look to bioenergetics as a solution or as a complement to my business because I had a scan in 2012 which just blew my mind. It was so accurate and I wanted to include that in my energy practice, and it's been invaluable. I chose NES Health as my bioenergetics provider because it was incredible in the way that it made the invisible visible in terms of energy, and I had never seen anything like this before. Often when I'm doing a session, I'm using a quite a large dose of the holograms, and when I'm actually doing the energy work, I can feel those infoceuticals at work within the field as I'm working. It's just awesome. I think the most incredible example I can give is working with people with trauma, with clients with trauma, and just seeing how the scan itself produces a trauma timeline, basically, when we're going through the scan together, and that's just amazing. I've been using the MyHealth with Parkinson's patients, and these people experience, obviously as the disease progresses, they often experience terrible constipation. So I use the MyHealth with them on the large intestine setting, and they get almost instant relief quite often from that. And also another problem that they have is insomnia, really bad insomnia. And the MyHealth on the sleep setting has worked wonders for a couple of my clients with that. After incorporating NES Health, my practice has changed in the way that, once again, the scan just makes everything so visible, and it's an incredible way to walk with people through all of the screens that gives them such a deep understanding of what's really going on for them at that level, and obviously for a lot of them something that they've never really thought of before. The NES Health program is such an integral part of my business now. It's a little bit hard to separate the two. I would be totally lost without it.